Hey there, fellow content creators and aspiring YouTube stars. Do you ever wonder how some YouTubers seem to effortlessly skyrocket their views and earnings while others struggle to gain traction? Well, in today's video, I'm going to unlock the secrets to YouTube's success in 2023 using a powerful tool called Tube Rank Jeet 5 Pro. If you're serious about making money on YouTube, you won't want to miss this. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have the keys to unlock your channel's full potential and boost your earnings like never before. Let's dive in. So as well known, YouTube SEO is the most important thing for content creators if they want to rank their videos and hence draw more views. YouTube SEO has become a difficult task for a lot of creators lately, and they find it very hard. But with the creation of ChatGPT and Tube Rank Jeet 5 Pro, the work has been considerably simplified, and now everyone can rank their videos with a perfect SEO. Before we proceed to learn how to do SEO with ChatGPT and Tube Rank, let us first understand what SEO is itself. YouTube SEO, or search engine optimization for YouTube, refers to the process of optimizing your videos and channel to improve their visibility and rankings within YouTube search results and recommendations. It involves various strategies and techniques aimed at making your content more recoverable by YouTube's algorithm and ultimately by your target audience. YouTube SEO is crucial for content creators for several reasons. 1. Enhanced visibility. Effective SEO increases the chances of your videos appearing in the top search results and recommended videos. The heightened visibility exposes your content to a broader audience, potentially attracting more viewers and subscribers. 2. Higher organic traffic. Properly optimized videos tend to rank higher in search results, leading to increased organic traffic. This means less reliance on paid promotion and more opportunities to monetize your channel. 3. Audience targeting. SEO helps you reach your specific target audience by optimizing for relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions. This ensures that your content is seen by people genuinely interested in your niche. 4. Improved click-through rates. Well-optimized titles and thumbnails can significantly boost CTR as they attract users' attention and entice them to click on your videos instead of others. 5. Long-term sustainability. Effective SEO can provide long-term benefits. Once your video ranks well for specific keywords, it can continue to generate views and revenue over an extended period, ensuring a steady income stream. 6. Competitive advantage. In a competitive platform like YouTube, SEO can give you an edge. By outperforming competitors in search rankings, you can establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. Now that we know the importance of great SEO, let's find out what Tube Rank Jeet is capable of in this regard. Tube Rank Jeet 5 Pro is a robust software tool designed to empower content creators on YouTube by streamlining the optimization process for their videos. With a suite of essential capabilities, it serves as an invaluable asset to enhance visibility and ranking in YouTube search results and recommendations. At its core, Tube Rank Jeet 5 Pro offers comprehensive keyword research functionality. This feature enables users to unearth the most relevant and high-performing keywords within their niche, equipping them with the insights needed to create content that resonates with their target audience. One of its standout features is competitor analysis, allowing users to dissect their rival strategies, keywords, and tags. This competitive intelligence is crucial for crafting content that can outshine others in the same space. The software also facilitates video optimization, providing tools to enhance video titles, descriptions, tags, and categories. It suggests improvements in these critical elements, optimizing the chances of videos appearing prominently in YouTube search and recommendations. Tube Rank Jeet 5 Pro further empowers content creators with rank tracking, enabling them to monitor their videos' performance in search rankings for specific keywords over time. In-depth analytics and insights, covering views, likes, comments, and more, empowering users to make data-driven decisions and refine their content strategy. Someone consistently updated Tube Rank Jeet 5 Pro to align with YouTube's evolving algorithms, ensuring that users always have access to the latest SEO techniques and best practices. In summary, it's the all-in-one solution content creators need to maximize their success and earnings on YouTube. Mind-blowing, right? Let's dig in further and see how Tube Rank helps in keyword research. Keyword research serves as the cornerstone of success for content creators on platforms like YouTube. It is a pivotal element in optimizing content to enhance discoverability and reach. Let's delve into why keyword research is paramount and how Tube Rank Jeet simplifies this process. Keyword research is vital for content creators for several reasons. 1. Audience targeting. Effective keyword research helps creators identify terms and phrases that align with their target audience's interests. By using these keywords strategically, creators can attract viewers genuinely interested in their content. 2. Visibility and ranking. Selecting the right keywords allows videos to rank higher in search results and recommendations. Optimized videos are more likely to appear at the top when viewers search for relevant terms, increasing the likelihood of clicks and views. 3. Competitive edge. In a competitive landscape, understanding which keywords are less saturated and have a higher ranking potential gives creators a competitive advantage. This knowledge helps them stand out and gain an edge in their niche. 4. Content ideas. Keyword research can inspire content ideas. Creators can explore related keywords and uncover trending topics within their niche, ensuring their content remains fresh and aligned with current interests. 5. Monetization. Well-optimized videos with carefully researched keywords can generate more views and subsequently more ad revenue. This increased viewership enhances the potential for earning money through YouTube's partner program. Tube Rank Jeet significantly simplifies the keyword research process for content creators. Keyword suggestions. Tube Rank Jeet provides a wealth of keyword suggestions related to the content, ensuring creators consider a comprehensive range of keywords. Competitor analysis. The tool allows users to analyze their competitors' keywords and strategies, offering insights into keyword gaps and opportunities in their content. Keyword difficulty. Tube Rank Jeet evaluates the difficulty of ranking for specific keywords, enabling creators to focus on those with a higher probability of success. Tube Rank Jeet streamlines and enhances the keyword research process, saving creators time and ensuring they optimize their videos effectively. It's an indispensable tool for maximizing content discoverability and achieving success on platforms like YouTube. Well, this is not all. Let's see how Tube Rank helps in optimizing titles and descriptions as well. Tube Rank Jeet simplifies video title and description optimization, crucial elements for YouTube SEO, by providing an efficient platform for content creators. It assists creators in seamlessly integrating relevant keywords into their video titles and descriptions. It achieves this by suggesting suitable keywords based on the video's content, and creators can select from these suggestions or input their keywords. Tube Rank Jeet also assesses the selected keywords' performance potential and offers recommendations for improvements. Further, the tool encourages the strategic inclusion of keywords within the video's tags, aiding creators in tagging their videos appropriately. Proper tagging improves the video's discoverability and ranking in YouTube search results. Additionally, Tube Rank Jeet's analytical features allow content creators to track the performance of their optimized titles and descriptions over time. Users can make data-driven adjustments and refinements to further enhance their content's search visibility and audience engagement. In essence, Tube Rank Jeet streamlines and enhances the optimization of video titles and descriptions by providing valuable keyword suggestions, assessing their performance potential, and enabling content creators to craft engaging and SEO-friendly content, ensuring that videos are well-positioned to capture the attention of both viewers and YouTube's search and recommendation algorithms, ultimately boosting their visibility and success on the platform. Not only does the Tube Rank Jeet help in getting us the optimized titles and description, but it also helps a lot in analyzing the competition as well. Analyzing competition plays a pivotal role in the realm of SEO, and when it comes to YouTube, it's equally crucial. Here's why and how Tube Rank Jeet 5 Pro can assist content creators in their endeavor. Competitor analysis is vital in SEO for several reasons. Firstly, it provides invaluable insights into the strategies and tactics that are working well within your niche. By understanding what your competitors are doing right, you can adapt and improve your content. Secondly, it helps identify gaps or untapped opportunities that others might have missed, allowing you to carve out your niche and attract a dedicated audience. Tube Rank Jeet 5 Pro simplifies competitors' analysis by offering a comprehensive view of rival videos. This tool allows users to assess key metrics, such as the number of views, likes, comments, and social engagement for competitor videos. It also provides data on their video tags, titles, and descriptions. Leveraging this data is where the real advantage lies. Content creators can gain insights into which keywords and strategies are driving their competitors' success. By identifying patterns and trends, they can refine their content strategy to better align with what's resonating with viewers. Moreover, knowing what keywords competitors are targeting allows creators to select their battles wisely and potentially discover less competitive but high-affected keywords. Competitor analysis through Tube Rank Jeet 5 Pro is an indispensable tool for content creators aiming to thrive on YouTube. It's not only providing a competitive edge, but also empowers creators to adapt and optimize their content strategy effectively for enhanced visibility and success on the platform. Now that you all understand what Tube Rank Jeet is capable of, let's find out and see how this amazing tool measures the success of your YouTube. Tube Rank Jeet serves as a valuable tool for content creators seeking to measure their success on YouTube. It offers a range of features and capabilities that provide insights into video performance and audience engagement, enabling creators to make data-driven decisions and continuously improve their content strategy. One of the key ways Tube Rank Jeet measures success is through its analytics features. Users can access detailed data on video performance, including metrics such as views, likes, dislikes, comments, and shares. This information helps content creators gauge how well their videos are resonating with their audience. It allows them to identify which videos are performing exceptionally well and which may need optimization. Tube Rank Jeet also provides insights into keyword rankings. Creators can track how their videos rank for specific keywords over time. This data is crucial for understanding the effectiveness of their SEO efforts. If certain keywords consistently drive traffic and views, creators can focus their content strategy around them. Additionally, Tube Rank Jeet allows users to monitor their channel's growth in terms of subscribers and overall video performance trends. This provides a holistic view of their channel's success and helps them identify areas for improvement. By utilizing Tube Rank Jeet's analytics and tracking capabilities, content creators can measure the success of their videos and channels over time. They can identify what's working, what needs adjustment, and which strategies are most effective in attracting and retaining viewers. Ultimately, Tube Rank Jeet empowers creators to optimize their content for greater visibility and long-term success on YouTube. Now, as we reach the end of our video, let me go a bit further and explain to you guys how to use this amazing tool with ChatGPT together for some amazing results. So combining the power of ChatGPT and Tube Rank Jeet can be a strategic approach to enhance your YouTube SEO efforts. Here's how you can use them together. 1. Keyword research and content ideas. Start by using Tube Rank Jeet to identify relevant keywords and trends within your niche. Once you have a list of potential keywords, you can consult ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas around those keywords. Ask ChatGPT for content suggestions, video titles, or creative angles to approach the chosen topics. 2. Content planning and scripting. Utilize ChatGPT to create an outline or script for your video based on the content ideas generated. ChatGPT can help you structure your video effectively and ensure it's engaging for your audience. Incorporate the selected keywords into your video script naturally to improve SEO. 3. Video optimization. With your video script and keywords in hand, use Tube Rank Jeet to optimize your video title, description, tags, and categories. Tube Rank Jeet can provide valuable suggestions for these elements. If you have any doubts about optimizing your video, you can consult ChatGPT for additional tips or create compelling titles and descriptions. 4. Competitor analysis. Tube Rank Jeet can help you analyze competitor videos for insights. After collecting this data, ChatGPT can assist you in brainstorming ways to differentiate your content and offer a unique perspective. 5. Monitoring and analytics. As you publish and promote your video, keep track of its performance using Tube Rank Jeet's analytics features. If you have questions about interpreting the data or need suggestions for improvement, ChatGPT can provide insights and recommendations based on the analytics you've gathered. 6. Content promotion. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for promoting your video on social media or other platforms. Ask for tips on creating engaging social media posts or optimizing video thumbnails to increase click-through rates. By integrating ChatGPT's content generation capabilities with Tube Rank Jeet's SEO tools, you can streamline your YouTube content creation and optimization process, ultimately improving your video's visibility, engagement, and search rankings. Thank you for joining us today on this journey to unlock the secrets of YouTube SEO using Tube Rank Jeet and harness the power of AI. We hope you found this information valuable in optimizing your YouTube content. But our journey doesn't end here. In our upcoming video, we're delving into an exciting topic that every content creator should explore: alternative income streams for YouTubers. Discover how to diversify your revenue streams beyond ads and supercharge your earnings as a content creator. Don't miss out on this opportunity to expand your income potential. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when our next video drops. Remember, success on YouTube is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions on topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and keep creating amazing content. We'll see you in the next video.